Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. In addition, of course, to today being end of month, end of quarter, a lot of people were talking about Tesla going, they're unveiling a new car tomorrow. And what's fascinating about Tesla right now, I mean, I don't know about you guys, I'm a big believer in buy the rumor, sell the news. But the implied vol on these options has been insane today. So here's Tesla. Now, earnings aren't till May. I think they're right here. You can see the implied volatility jumps up a little bit there, but right now it's 101%. You know, what happens in a situation like this is that the out of the money options that expire in one day. So here we are at about $230. I mean, the 240. I mean, look at this. And I know Tom Sosnoff, who can never physically buy an out of the money call. He must have been selling these as spreads all day long today, is what I'm assuming, and I did the same thing. So it's pretty amazing there. But so one of the questions that comes up all the time, especially if you're a newer trader or even if you're an advanced trader just wondering kind of what to do here, is how do you analyze the potential for profit on these trades? Well, one of the things that I like about this tool, which I'll tell you about in a second, is that it shows you your P&L per ticker traded for the year. So this is, you can see for Apple. Apple has won this year. I have not been able to make money trading Apple, okay? I lost $8,000 trading Apple this year so far, but I've made $800 trading AMBA, $1,900 trading Amazon, $1,600 trading AVGO, $2,600 there. I lost $16,000 trading Baidu. Now you might think at this point that I'm having a bad year. I'm actually having a pretty good year. Let's scroll down here a little bit, and you can see, there we go, Facebook, $48,000. Okay, so that's been a good one. GILD, $3,900. Now that's interesting. So Google, well, I'll show you. That doesn't take into account my last trade, which I'll show you in a second. Netflix, $38,000. Priceline, $54,000. And it'll show, well, here, S&P's, $49,000. Tesla, $69,000. So, oh, okay, I see. So in that platform, it actually took into account a little bit more of dates. But you can see here, essentially, so far this year in my account, Tesla has been my best one, followed by Facebook, followed by Netflix. There's Google. So far this year, $127,000 in profits. But the question is how do you analyze what are the best trades to take? Okay, do you look at a chart or do you look at the options tools that you have at your disposal? And if so, do those options tools, do they cost a lot of money or are they free? Like, what tools am I using to make these decisions? Okay, so what are we talking about here? We are talking about a platform called Dough. If you are not already familiar with Dough, I encourage you to go to this specific URL, simpleroptions.com/Dough. Okay, for now, this is 100% free. And what you're going to see is that this is something that we're going to be using more and more in our own analysis for using these tools. Okay, you can see here, if you go here, you're going to see this page, just do your email, name, password, confirm your password, and you'll have access. Now, you can trade through them if you want to. If you've already got a TOS account, guess what? It'll link up directly to it. But if you take advantage of this now, you can get discounted commissions. You'll be locked in to have this for free, and you won't be charged for having the software. You're going to see us using this more and more for our own trading decisions in terms of the types of trades that we're doing. And I would encourage you to at least grab this so you can at least lock it in for free, and then you can follow along with us on the videos that we're going to be putting out. Some of them are going to be free videos, some of them will be classes, but at least get this so you can join us on this adventure for these kind of option trades. All right, hope it helps. You guys have a good night, and we'll see you at the next update.